Packing up your life and moving to Europe is one of the most significant financial risks you can take. With Romania and Bulgaria joining the Schengen area, these two nations have become the primary destinations for Indian job seekers. Choosing between them requires weighing variables that go far beyond a simple salary comparison. You are looking at two distinct paths that will dictate your daily life and your long-term immigration security. Recruitment agents heavily promote Romania as the high-reward option, citing its higher monthly payouts for construction and hospitality roles. Bulgaria serves as the high-certainty alternative, offering faster entry and lower upfront risks for those who need to start working immediately. The generic promises made by agents often ignore the specific realities of the 2026 labor laws, which have fundamentally changed the requirements for foreign workers. Committing to a country based on a single salary figure can result in lost savings and a rejected visa. Let's look at the data to find the better fit. Most recruiters lead with the average monthly salary to attract applicants. The raw data shows Romania's average monthly salary at $1,596, while Bulgaria's average is $1,325. On an hourly basis, a minimum wage worker in Romania earns 23% more in USD terms than one in Bulgaria. However, gross pay only tells half the story. You have to consider the cost of living. Romania's higher living costs directly reduce the amount of money you can remit back home. Rent and utilities eat into that salary gap quickly. Bulgaria offers a built-in financial advantage. Standard seasonal contracts typically include free accommodation, which removes your single largest monthly expense. When you factor in rent-free living, Bulgaria's lower gross pay often results in higher net savings at the end of the month. Both countries follow a standard 40-hour work week, but the regulations surrounding extra hours differ significantly. Romania limits overtime to 150 hours per year, with a maximum cap of 48 hours in any given week. Weekday premiums start at 50%, rising to 100% for public holidays. Bulgaria offers a baseline overtime premium of at least 75%. For workers looking to maximize hours, this higher baseline makes extra shifts very profitable. Beyond the money, you must prepare for the workplace language barrier. In Romania, English is widely understood in both professional and social settings, which simplifies your daily interactions and safety training. In Bulgaria, English is rarely spoken on the shop floor. Relying on Bulgarian for everyday communication creates a much steeper learning curve for Indian expats. Romania provides a more accessible cultural transition for English speakers, whereas Bulgaria's higher overtime rates come at the cost of a more isolating social environment. The 2026 visa regulations are now the most important factor in determining whether you can actually get into Europe. Since April 2026, Romania has utilized a two-tier system, and as of August, all applications must go through the government's new digital portal. The D-AM2 category for general labor is now restricted by a strict annual quota, creating a significant bottleneck for thousands of global applicants. Romania is currently managing chronic labor churn, as workers frequently leave their original employers to seek better wages elsewhere in Europe. This high turnover has made Romanian employers more cautious and bureaucratic when sponsoring new foreign workers. Bulgaria is taking a more aggressive approach to recruitment to fill its growing labor shortage. By March 2026, Bulgaria had already processed nearly 19,000 new foreign workers, putting the country on track to beat its previous 2025 record. Their seasonal work visa process is fully digital, allowing for stays up to 9 months with significantly less paperwork than the Romanian equivalent. For a worker who needs to start earning without a long waiting period, this streamlined entry is a pivotal advantage. Romania is currently a difficult bureaucratic maze, while Bulgaria is actively simplifying its intake to get foreign laborers on the job as quickly as possible. Choosing the right destination depends on how you balance your immediate financial needs against your long-term comfort. This scorecard breaks down the choice. On the left, we have the Bulgarian route. Choose Bulgaria if you prioritize immediate entry, free housing, and a straightforward visa process over high base pay. On the right side, we have the profile for Romania. Choose Romania if you are a fluent English speaker, have the patience to wait out the 2026 quotas, and want the highest possible monthly salary. Either path can provide a stable start in Europe, provided you understand the laws and the costs involved. You have to weigh your priorities, the high earning potential of Romania or the certainty and low cost of Bulgaria. Successful migration is about choosing the country that matches your personal strategy. Which one fits your goals for 2026? Tell me your choice in the comments.